Hello, how are you? Welcome to a new installment of your Pharmacy Assistant. On this occasion, we would talk about what it is used for and how it is used. So let's take a look.
Hey everyone, how are you doing? Today, we're diving into the world of ascorbic acid, or as many of us know it, vitamin C. In this video, I'll guide you on how and when to use this important vitamin. First things first, what is ascorbic acid? It's an essential vitamin, which means our body needs it to work properly, like for repairing tissues and keeping our immune system strong. It's used to treat and prevent vitamin C deficiency, which can cause problems like scurvy. So how does it work its magic? Well, ascorbic acid is a powerful antioxidant, meaning it protects our cells from damage caused by free radicals. It also helps produce collagen, a super important protein for our skin, blood vessels, and bones. Now let's talk about how much to take and how to take it. The dose you need can vary depending on your age, gender, and if you have any special medical conditions. In general, adults need between 65 and 90 milligrams a day, but sometimes doctors might recommend more. The important thing is to follow your doctor's instructions and not take more than the recommended dose. Although vitamin C is usually safe, in very high doses, it can cause some not so pleasant side effects. These include an upset stomach, diarrhea, and kidney stones. If this happens to you, don't hesitate to talk to your doctor. Finally, remember that ascorbic acid is a key vitamin for your health. Break Toimf Health. Make sure to take the right amount for you, and if in doubt, talk to a healthcare professional. Thanks for watching this video, and keep taking care of yourselves.
If you've made it this far, let us know in the comments why you're using this medicine.